and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I thought I'd just show you a couple of bits that I picked up from Amazon. Now, one of these was $7.99 when I purchased it, and one of them was $7.89. Can't quite remember which way round, but I did pick up some of the bags that I use. So hang on, let me get in the thing. So yeah, many people know I do tend to use an A5 bag, one of these, for storing diamonds that come from companies that I get diamond paints from. So not so much the fan cells, because they tend to come in a thin packet, but those with the 200s and stuff. Let me have a look. Have I got one here? Yeah, so here we go. I've got one here from Easy Whim. Store it in an A5 bag. All the separate baggies are in the back. I put any inventory sheet in with it and it works perfecto. I've also got one here from Home Fun or Home Fun. I put the inventory sheet in the front and then all the loose diamonds are in the back, and it keeps them all corralled. I do have some that are A4 as well, but I did want to check out sort of all the sizes that were available. So I've recently had one, a bag that's about this size. It's classed as a, is it a B4? No, an A6, sorry. An A6, so it's 16 by 12 centimetres. And I like these when I kit up. So for example, if I kit up this Home Fun one, you can see I have quite a lot of white. So quite often I have extras left over to refill my pot. And that's when I tend to like to put them in these smaller ones, and they fit in with my storage and stuff just a little bit nicer. But I thought I'd have a look at all the sizes that are available. So this one is a mixed bag. So we've got an A6. Then we have what's called a B6, which is a bit longer. It is just a little bit taller as well, but more long than tall. We've got A5, which I use. We've got B5. We've got A4 that I do have and use very rarely, but occasionally I have a very big diamond painting. And then I've also got a B4, which is even bigger. And I thought it'd just be nice to sort of have a few sizes so that I can see which ones work best. I'm thinking of ordering some more of these A6 ones, because I only have one at the moment. Well, now I have two, but I did only have one. So I think I may order a pack of these for when I do kit up a project, or maybe even for storing some of the smaller projects that don't need an A5. But I'm going to mess with these for a bit first and see what works for the best before I order more. But let me just see if I can get that on screen in case anybody wants to see the sizes, so that you know what each size is. And of course I'll let you know how and when any of these seem to work. It may be that some of these bigger ones I don't use so much, but they might come in useful somewhere else around the house, so I'm happy to have the choice. Now, the second item I ordered may look very similar to some things I already have, but they are different. So they're a very similar size to these storage containers that are the 28 storage, which I love. I mean, I do like the sort of round pot ones, but these are great for smaller paintings. And it is pretty much the same size, but it is also different. And I thought this may come in handy for some. Now, it does actually open. Does it open there? No, it doesn't. It does open at the side the same. However, this one, if I can get in it, comes in rows of 3. So it does only hold 21 rather than the 28. So if I can get into this one. This one is in rows of 4 and this one is in rows of 3. And they're pretty much the same length, but of course and pretty much the same depth. But because there is only 3, you can fit more in. So a painting that is small but only has 21 colours, excuse me, only has 21 colours, I will probably give this a go, because sometimes I do find that with colours I end up using 2 pots, and maybe this way I'll only end up using 1. But I thought they were funky as say. It was, I think it was £7.99 for this one and £7.89 for the other set. But yeah, I thought I'd order those, and when I've got small paintings that only have up to 21 colours, I'll give these a go. And then of course I've still got my trusty 28 containers for many of my other small ones. I tend to kit up a lot of, probably a bit less than 30 by 40, but maybe even 30 by 40. I like to kit up in these. I can kit up a few, have a few about, just pop a little sticker saying what they are, and then I've always got a project to work on, which is good. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you those few items that I've picked up from Amazon. I will pop the links for them down below. Not that one, that's the one that I had before. That's the 2-pack that I purchased. Has come with round stickers. They are bigger than the usual round stickers that I use, but I'm sure they'll come in handy for something. Yeah, I'll pop the links down below in case you are interested, and of course I will keep you updated through videos on what I may or may not use these bags for, but it's nice to have a little selection, figure out what really works the best. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.